Luigi, I just heard a firework.
Yeah, I heard it too, Mario. That was a really loud one.
Luigi, I just thought of an idea.
What is it, Mario?
Why don't we go look at the fireworks?
Oh, that's actually a good idea.
Oh man, I'm so excited. I love fireworks.
Yeah, same.
All right, Luigi, let's go.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Fireworks are really cool. Oh, look at that. Yo! Woo! Yo, look at this. This is so cool. These are like a bunch of tiny ones. Yo. Yo, this is so cool. There are a few other ones too. And it ended.
Oh, there's one. Yo, that one was cool. Yo, that one was sick.
Oh, there we go. Yo, that one was sick.
Oh, there we go.
Yo, that one was sick. Oh, let's go.
Oh, there is one over there. Let's see if we can find more. Oh, there is another one. Yo, this is sick. Woo! Yo, that one was so cool. That was awesome.
Oh, there was one. Man, these are so cool. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. That was a loud one. Jesus Christ.
Oh, there was. Oh! That was a good one, too. Yo, this is insane.
Oh my God, look at that. Whoa. These are so cool. Oh, look at that one.
Oh! Yo, look at that! Woo! That was so cool! Oh!
Yo, that was sick. That one was awesome.
Man, Luigi, those fireworks were so cool.
Yeah, that was fun.
Anyway, Luigi, I'm kind of tired. Do you want to go to sleep?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Good night, Luigi.
Good night, Mario.